Yeah, but if you got an Android, you got it made though, because you can put that little micro SD in your card reader, put it on your computer.
I'm so fortunate. I didn't know what this phone was when they told me it was Jordan. I'm like, oh good.
They're good phones. They're good phones.
But it freezes up like a computer.
But you know what? That's why I got this digital. But you know, you can always take it to Walgreens or something. Cause I got a couple of cheap ones that's like $25, $35. You can just take them and take your USB cable and then hook it right into your computer.
Oh, okay.
Yep. If you got an older computer.
Oh yeah, I got one of those.
If you got a camera for your camcorder, it always comes with a USB card cable.
Oh, okay.
And get your micro SD card reader too. They don't cost that much.
Oh, okay.
They don't cost that much.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get one.
Yep. This one I paid $58 for, so it's the best one.
Really?
Yep. Big lots.
The SD card?
They cost about $7, $8.
Oh, mine costs like $37.
Ooh, you must have got a big one.
No, I got it from
Well, I mean, it's got big. Oh, okay.
That's probably why it costs so much.
You could have went to Big Lots and got that thing cheaper. I'm telling you, get one for under $10, $12. I'm serious. If you want some 16 gigs, it's gonna cost you a little bit.
16 gigs.
Yep.
This is 8.
Anything that's like.
And 8 was 37. I'm like,
what? They ripped you off. They ripped you off.
Never again. I would go somewhere.
Yeah, they ripped you off. This is so beautiful. Look at the color. Ooh, I can't wait to get home today, bro.
I just found like 3 of my friends now are getting baptized, and I'm about to cry.
I'm gonna. Need to get her.